Namaste everyone. In this video, we are visiting one of the best waterfall of Nepal, along with the deepest gorge of the world. We are now at the beautiful waterfall Rupse. Rupse is located in Benijomsam highway route. It is approximately 110 km from Pokhara. It is located in Dana of Myagdi district of Kaligandaki province of Nepal. It is 984 feet tall. This fall is one of the most popular tourist destination of Nepal. Rupse Falls has tremendous beauty around it. Kaligandaki river is nearly situated to this fall.
Wow, wonderful.
Good morning, sir. Come on.
The deepest gorge of the world, Kaligandaki A. We all are here. Yeah, this is the view of Kaligandaki A, the deepest gorge of the world. It's awesome. And we are here over the...
Here we are over Kaligandaki river. This is the suspension bridge over the deepest gorge of the world. This is Kaligandaki Gorge, which is also known as Dhaulagiri. This gorge separates Dhaulagiri and Annapurna I, which are in the west and east of the river respectively. This gorge is 18,278 feet lower than Annapurna I.
Here, Tara sir is just in front of me and Badri sir is there. He's so and he... I don't know. Me, myself taking this one. So it looks like this.
थाल्यो बर्खा भयो पानीले दग्नु ग्राउन्ड माथिबाट आए बोली आए ठुला गएर